Are you looking for the best cordless drills? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best cordless drills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Milwaukee 2904-20 Hammer Drill. Milwaukee 2904-20 Hammer Drill. Tremendous performance into a surprisingly compact tool with this 1/2 inch hammer drill. It pumps out a whopping 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and can reach a lightning-quick top speed of 2,100 RPM. Though not quite the fastest on our list, the drill blazed through my 1/2 inch drill bit and 1 inch spade bit tests. It posted similarly impressive performance, drilling 1/4 inch holes into concrete. Milwaukee's hammer drill also has 3 speed settings, most only have 2, which allowed me to dial back all that speed and power to drive screws. What's so impressive about this drill is that it packs all that power into such a small package. It's just under 7 inches from tip to tail and weighs a relatively light 3.3 pounds. Plus, it comes equipped with an auto-stop feature that shuts off the motor to prevent over-rotation should the drill bit become bound up. This Milwaukee drill may not be the fastest or most powerful tool on the list, but when you factor in its weight, size, and features, it's the best all-around one. Number 2. Skil PWRCORE Drill Driver Kit. The Skil PWRCORE Drill Driver Kit produces a surprising amount of power for its size and at a fraction of the price of the premium cordless drills on our list. It took an impressive 3 seconds to drill a 1/2 inch hole into a 2x4. Its ability to drill holes with a 1 inch spade bit was mixed, however. During testing, the bit became hopelessly bound in the wood every couple of holes. When used as a driver, it had no problems driving in 3 inch screws. This Skil PWRCORE Drill Driver Kit 2.23 pounds, not including the battery. Couple that with a narrow profile, and the Skil was one of the easiest 20-volt drills to use. While it doesn't offer the bells and whistles you'll find on premium drills, it does give you 2 speed settings and an LED work light. And while a premium cordless drill kit can run you upwards of $300, the Skil 20-volt drill kit is just $80. That low price, coupled with its solid performance, makes it a great value pick. Number 3. DeWalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill, DCD 1007. The DeWalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill, DCD 1007, of cordless drills is impressive in its raw power and versatility. We bore a 1/2 inch hole through a 2x4 with a standard bit in about 1/2 second and a 1 inch hole with a paddle bit in 3 seconds flat. Both times were the fastest I recorded for all of the drills I tested. I was also impressed by all the options for controlling that power. With 3 speed options, I was able to dial its speed way back. That, coupled with the ability to drop the torque, allowed me to drive in screws without stripping the screw head. Among other features I appreciated about the DeWalt XR drill included an anti-rotation safety feature that shuts off the motor if it senses too much rotational motion, saving your wrist, and a built-in work light you can aim. The XR isn't particularly light at 4.1 pounds, not including a battery, but it is relatively short with a head length of 7.6 inches, which means it can fit into tighter spots than many other cordless drills. The DeWalt XR cordless drill is one of the most expensive drills on our list but worth the investment for if you're someone capable of taking on projects normally dedicated to pros. Number 4. Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Hammer Drill. Flex's cordless tools are known for their impressive power output, and this cordless drill is no exception. With its 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and max 2,500 RPM speed, it blazed through my tests, drilling 5 holes with a 1/2 inch twist bit and 5 1-inch holes with a spade bit each in under 3 seconds, and it did so incredibly smoothly. Interested to see just how much it could handle, I took it to a block of cement and drilled holes with a 3/8 inch bit. Where most cordless drills would fail at this point, the Flex just kept on chugging, burrowing through the cement with no hesitation. With its 24-volt motor and battery, the Flex weighs just under 4 pounds bare and nearly 6 pounds with the included 5Ah battery, making it one of the heavier models I tested. And while its head is a relatively short 7.1 inches, it has a larger profile, so it doesn't navigate into tight spaces as easily as you might want it to. What you get instead of a light profile is a bevy of cool features. Along with a turbo button that allows you to boost torque to reach its max output, there's also a rotation protection that protects your wrist and arm by stopping the drill if it over-rotates. The Flex cordless drill is a pro-level power tool that comes at a pro-level price. But, if you're looking for power, then look no further. Number 5. Ryobi 18V1 Plus Compact Cordless Hammer Drill. Ryobi 18V1 Plus Compact Cordless Hammer Drill packs enough punch to handle most odd jobs around the house, along with a few bigger projects, at a price point that's far below the cost of the premium cordless drills on this list. It puts out 750 inch-pounds of torque and 2,100 RPM, which is on the high end for a cordless drill kit that costs under $100. How did this power bear out in testing? Results were mixed. I was able to bore 5 1-inch holes with a spade bit at a pace of 5 seconds per hole. I also had no problem driving a 3-inch wood screw into 2 stacked 2x4s, and I drilled a hole with a 1/2 inch twist bit after dropping the speed and switching to hammer drill mode. I was able to bore into concrete with a 3/8 inch bit, but anything larger than that was pushing it. With a slim profile, bare weight of 2.3 pounds, and short, 6.75 inch head, this drill was noticeably easier to wield than some of the heavier and bulkier drills on the list. The Ryobi compact hammer drill may lack the muscle of other models, but it'll help you complete more than enough projects around the house to make it worth its cost.